If your credit score is sitting below 600 right now, you're being charged more for almost everything in your life. Higher interest on car loans, higher rates on credit cards. Some landlords won't even rent to you. And the worst part? Most people have no idea how fast that can actually change. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to raise your credit score by 100 points or more in 6 months or less, using steps that are completely free and completely legal. Before we fix it, you need to know what's actually hurting you. Your FICO credit score, which is the score 90% of lenders use, is calculated using 5 factors. Number 1, payment history. This is 35% of your score. The single biggest factor. Every late payment, every missed payment hurts you here. Number 2, credit utilization. This is 30% of your score. It measures how much of your available credit you're actually using. If your limit is $1,000 and your balance is $700, your utilization is 70%. And that's dragging your score down hard. Number 3, length of credit history. 15% of your score. The longer your accounts have been open, the better. Number 4, credit mix. 10%. Having both a credit card and a loan is better than one type alone. And number 5, new credit inquiries. 10%. Every time you apply for new credit, your score takes a small temporary hit. Here's what this tells us. Payment history and utilization together are 65% of your entire score. Fix those 2 things first, and you'll see the biggest jump. The first thing you need to do, before anything else, is actually see what's on your report. You're entitled to a free credit report from all 3 bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Go to annualcreditreport.com. That's the only official free site the U.S. government recognizes. Download all 3 reports and look for 2 things specifically. First, any errors, wrong account information, accounts that aren't yours, incorrect late payments. Studies show roughly 1 in 5 Americans has an error on their credit report. An error you didn't put there could be silently lowering your score right now. Second, any collections or late payments. These are the items we'll tackle in the next steps. Also, sign up for Credit Karma. It's completely free. Shows your scores updated weekly and alerts you the moment anything changes. Link is in the description. Remember how utilization is 30% of your score. This is the fastest lever you can pull. Because unlike late payments, utilization updates every single month. Here's your target. Get your utilization below 30% on every card. Below 10% is even better. 3 ways to do this. Option 1, pay down your balance. Get that $700 balance on a $1,000 limit card down to $200. And your utilization drops from 70% to 20%. That alone can add 20 to 40 points within 30 to 60 days. Option 2, ask for a credit limit increase. Call your card issuer. Ask them to raise your limit. If they raise it from $1,000 to $2,000 and your balance stays the same, your utilization just dropped in half. Ask for a soft pull only so it doesn't hurt your score. Option 3, spread balances across cards. If you have 2 cards, moving some balance off the maxed one lowers utilization on your worst card immediately. Payment history is 35% of your score, and a single 30-day late payment can drop your score by 60 to to 110 points. So this step matters a lot. If you have a late payment on an account that's still open, call the lender directly and ask for a goodwill deletion. You're asking them to remove the late payment as a gesture of goodwill. Given your otherwise good history, this doesn't always work, but it works more often than people think, especially if it was a one-time mistake. If you have accounts and collections, you have two options. Option 1, a pay-for-delete agreement. You offer to pay the balance in exchange for them removing it from your report entirely. Get this in writing still before you pay anything. Option 2, pay it and wait. Once a collection is paid, its impact reduces over time, and it falls off your report completely after 7 years. One important warning. Do not ignore collection calls or letters. A collection agency can sue you and get a judgment against you. That is far worse for your credit than the original collection. Now we've dealt with the damage. Let's add positive information to your report. And if you have no credit or a thin credit history, a secured credit card is the fastest way to start building. You deposit $200 to $500 as collateral. That becomes your limit. And you use it for small purchases every month and pay it off in full. Within 6 months of on-time payments, most issuers will upgrade you to an unsecured card and return your deposit. A second option is a credit builder loan. Banks like Self and many credit unions offer these. You make monthly payments. The money goes into a savings account, and at the end you get the money back, plus 12 months of clean payment history on your report. Third option, become an authorized user. If a family member or trusted friend has a card with long history and low utilization, ask them to add you. Their history on that card gets added to your report. So let's recap the 4-step plan. 1. Pull your free credit reports and sign up for Credit Karma. 2. Get your utilization below 30% on every card as fast as possible. 3. Tackle late payments with goodwill letters and collections with pay-for-delete agreements. 4. Add positive history through a secured card or a credit builder loan. Do all 4 of these consistently for 6 months. And a 100-point increase is not just possible, it's realistic for most people. If you found this useful, subscribe. We post new videos every week breaking down exactly how credit and personal finance actually works. And check the description for the free Credit Karma link to start tracking your score today.